There's none of the internet providers in the Philippines any good, really, if I'm totally honest. The customer service is non-existent. They do the best they can with promotions and what have you to take on the service, but when you take on the service, if you've got a problem, you're confronted with like 18 and 20-year-olds that haven't got a clue what to do, and basically nothing on the whole gets sorted out, at least to your satisfaction. PLDT I would not recommend. Caceres, if you're in Naga, seems to be the better option, but again, they're not perfect, but at least the service is pretty consistent, whereas PLDT isn't. That's from my experience, by the way. My God, I think I need to go and get some water. Here you are, look. Here's SM. Turn right in here, and SM's just there, look. You can see over there, it's all of SM. I couldn't even guess how many people there's here today, but there must be a few thousand, not including the parades. There you go, it was only a matter of time. Right, I've come from this direction to the bridge, and I got stopped initially when I first come through, explained what I was doing, and they let me through, and all the way to the bridge as far as I went up there, nobody else said anything to me. Come back, didn't have the camera going, and I'd get stopped, explained to them, they'd let me go, stopped again, explained to them, let me go. Now, you can't blame these guys because they've got their orders, they've not got to allow people the other side of this wire if they don't have one of the official passes. But again, I thank all the officials involved. They've been very lenient with me and allowed me in certain places, and I do appreciate it. Now this is a good place to be on the corner, but most of these I've just filmed and the sun is bearing down, and I'm going to die of heat stroke if I stand here waiting for the ones I haven't videoed. So I'll switch the camera off and try again later. I'm going to show you in the middle of Plaza, and there's lots of stands that wouldn't normally be here in Plaza. These are some of them that we're looking at now. All the fruit stands are normally here. No, thank you. Lemongrass for my blood pressure. It's kind of, isn't it? I mean, look at all the people here. Again, as a lot of my subscribers know, I haven't got a massive knowledge of any other parts of the Philippines other than Bulacan. Only, you know, as a lot of people, what you've read, what you've seen. I get a lot of messages, private messages from subscribers with their stories, and you know, I get a lot of knowledge from that. But I can honestly say, hand on my heart, Naga is a beautiful city, really is. And that's all because of its new mayor. Well, he's not new, but Mayor Bongat. And he keeps the city safe as well. He's one of the best mayors, so I've been told, that Naga has had. The last mayor though, who died, his wife is a senator, I believe. The name escapes me. The people in Naga loved him. And I want to say as well, thank you to Christopher. You'll see that I've got a new thumbnail. Christopher did that for me. He also did the end video where it's asking you to subscribe. He did that for me as well. He's got other things planned, so he tells me. So we'll see what he comes up with to get my my beginning end credits and the beginning, a new revamp. So over here, I'll get a bit closer to it. You can see that's where all the dignitaries are in the military, commanders and what have you, and they're judging the parades. This is where they all finish here. I mean, look at all the people here. Now, I'm not going to say it today, but ordinarily the women here outnumber the men at least 3 to 1. And I think that's an underestimate, but I don't want to over exaggerate. I just love it here. The atmosphere is fantastic. As are the people, of course. So that's the road up to the bridge. That's where I've just come from, and then come round there. And at night time, there's some disabled guys that come here and give you a massage. But the massage is really good, and it's from about 50 pesos to 100 pesos, so it's not a lot of money. Look at these. They're all the same, but I've just picked these out as an example. Look at these guys with the drums. They're really struggling in this heat. They've been marching for quite a long time, and then they have to stop until the other guys go past the dignitaries, and they stood here in the heat. They keep bringing them water out, bless them, but I wouldn't want to be them, because I'm overheating and I can get into the shade if I want, and of course drink as much water as I want. The older guys are coming round now. See, now this wouldn't be allowed if it wasn't the Fiesta where they're selling stuff inside Plaza. And I'll reiterate again, when you're in crowds like this, keep your hand on your wallet, keep your hand on your money, because what they normally do is a common thing, is they use the kids to steal the money. They'll crowd round you and bump to your body all the time, so you can't feel them going into your pocket, and the kids will be looking up at you. The kids will be looking up at you to stop you, you know, having an inkling they're in your pockets. And I know that from experience, because not last year but the year before I had 1700 took out my pocket, and yes, I shouldn't have had 1700 in my pocket, but I did.
No, no. No, no.
It is extremely hot and I'm feeling it. And I guess the battery's going to run out any time now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping